Ensuring quality in pharma. What is computer system validation? The pharmaceutical industry relies on trust between companies, patients, and regulatory bodies. Patients expect safe and effective medications, while regulators ensure companies follow strict guidelines to maintain quality. Computer system validation, CSV, is essential in maintaining this trust. CSV involves documenting that software systems in pharmaceutical operations function correctly through rigorous testing and validation. CSV ensures that software controlling lab instruments is accurate, reliable, and compliant with regulations, providing trustworthy data for critical decisions about medication safety and efficacy. It's not just about checking boxes, but ensuring every software and system used in pharmaceutical manufacturing is thoroughly vetted and validated. CSV builds quality into every step, from software design and development to implementation and maintenance, ensuring accurate data, reliable processes, and safe medications. By adhering to CSV guidelines, pharmaceutical companies maintain the trust of regulators and patients, ensuring their products are safe, effective, and reliable. From lab to logistics, real-world CSV in action, let's bring CSV down to earth with some practical examples. In the world of pharmaceuticals, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of data is paramount. This is where CSV, or computer system validation, comes into play. It's not just a regulatory requirement, but a cornerstone of quality assurance. CSV ensures that systems like LIMS and ERP accurately record data, manage inventory, and track expiration dates, preventing errors that could compromise product quality. Even simple spreadsheets used for calculations or data analysis need to be validated. CSV ensures these tools are free from errors and produce reliable results. CSV touches every corner of pharmaceutical operations, ensuring software systems work correctly and consistently. It safeguards the entire pharmaceutical lifecycle from research to patient delivery. The regulatory landscape, a global perspective on software validation. The pharmaceutical industry operates within a complex web of regulations designed to protect public health. These regulations ensure that every product, from the initial stages of development to the final stages of production, meets the highest standards of safety and efficacy. These regulations come from various agencies around the world, each with its own set of guidelines and requirements. This global network of regulatory bodies works tirelessly to ensure that pharmaceutical products are safe for consumption and effective in treating the conditions they are designed for. In the United States, the FDA sets the standards with 21 CFR Part 11, ensuring electronic records are trustworthy and reliable. The European Union's EU Annex 11 focuses on good manufacturing practices for managing electronic records and computerized systems. The WHO provides guidance through documents like TRS number 996, ensuring data integrity in pharmaceutical products. Despite regional differences, the core message is clear. Software in pharmaceutical operations must be validated to meet quality standards. Computer system validation, or CSV, provides a framework for meeting regulatory requirements and ensuring software reliability. Staying updated with regulatory changes and advancements in software validation is essential for compliance and innovation in the pharmaceutical industry. Section 4, Navigating GAMP 5, a framework for success. GAMP 5 provides a clear roadmap for navigating CSV in the pharmaceutical industry. Developed by ISPE, GAMP 5 offers a risk-based approach to CSV. It categorizes software systems by risk level, ensuring appropriate validation. This approach helps focus resources efficiently, streamlining compliance efforts. By following GAMP 5, companies ensure both efficiency and regulatory adherence. Section 5, the V model, a roadmap for validation. The V model is a visual representation of the software development lifecycle, often used in CSV to illustrate the validation process. Imagine a V shape, with the left side representing the planning and design phases of software development, and the right side representing the testing and implementation phases. As you move down the left side of the V, you're defining the requirements, designing the system, and developing the software. As you move up the right side, you're testing the software at each stage, ensuring it meets the requirements defined on the left. At the bottom of the V is the point where the software is fully developed and ready for implementation. This approach ensures that validation is integrated into every stage of the software development lifecycle, not just an afterthought. The roadmap for validation begins with a thorough understanding of regulatory requirements and ends with a fully compliant software ready for use. Each step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure no detail is overlooked. Risk assessments are conducted to identify potential issues early on, and validation protocols are drafted to guide the process. Collaboration among the development team is crucial, and continuous review of validation documentation ensures that the software remains compliant throughout its life cycle. In this section, we will discuss the ALCOA principles, which stand for attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate. These principles are essential for ensuring data integrity and pharmaceutical compliance. First, attributable. Every piece of data should be traceable to its source. This means that each data entry must be linked to the person who created it, ensuring accountability and transparency. Next, legible data must be clear and understandable. Illegible data can lead to misinterpretations and errors which are unacceptable in a regulated environment. Contemporaneous data should be recorded at the time the activity is performed. This ensures that the information is accurate and reflects the actual events without relying on memory or retrospective entries. Original data should be recorded in its original form, whether it's a handwritten note, an electronic entry, or a direct instrument readout. This maintains the authenticity of the data and prevents tampering. Finally, accurate data must be correct and free from errors. Accuracy is paramount in maintaining the integrity of the information and ensuring that it can be relied upon for decision-making. By adhering to the ALCOA principles, organizations can ensure the integrity of their data, which is crucial for compliance in the pharmaceutical industry. These principles are not just guidelines, but a foundation for building trust and reliability in the data that drives critical decisions. In this scene, we will take a deeper dive into the ALCOA principles and explore their specific application in computer system validation, CSV. We'll also discuss the CSV lifecycle approach in detail, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of how to implement these practices effectively. First, let's revisit the ALCOA principles: attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate. These principles are the bedrock of data integrity and are crucial for ensuring that your CSV efforts are robust and reliable. In CSV, data must be traceable to the individual who performed the action. This traceability is achieved through secure login credentials and audit trails. Ensuring that data is clear and understandable is paramount. Use standardized formats and intuitive user interfaces. Electronic data must be stored in formats that remain readable over time. Data should be recorded at the same time the task is performed. Systems should capture data in real time to reduce errors. Ensure timestamps are accurate and synchronized across all systems. The original data or source data must be preserved. Maintain electronic records in their original format and track changes via audit trails. Accuracy is critical in CSV. Systems should include validation checks to ensure data is correct and consistent. Now, let's move on to the CSV lifecycle approach. The CSV lifecycle consists of several key phases, each designed to ensure the system meets regulatory requirements and operates correctly. After validation, ongoing maintenance is crucial. This includes regular audits, continuous monitoring, and periodic revalidation. By following the ALCOA principles and adhering to the CSV lifecycle approach, organizations can ensure the integrity and reliability of their computer systems. This supports compliance with regulatory standards and helps maintain data quality and trust. Stay tuned as we wrap up and share our final thoughts on mastering computer system validation in pharmaceutical compliance. Thank you for watching our video on mastering computer system validation in pharmaceutical compliance. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. Remember, adhering to principles such as ALCOA is not just about meeting regulatory requirements, it's about ensuring the highest standards of quality and reliability in your data. As we conclude, let's recap the key takeaways. Understanding what CSV is, seeing real-world examples, gaining a global perspective, building a robust framework, following a clear roadmap, and ensuring data integrity. Your commitment to these practices will pave the way for success in your compliance journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay informed, stay compliant, and continue to strive for excellence in all your endeavors. Thank you.